Welcome back. Continuing the news. Amidst public uproar over her involvement in Miss Jamaica 2017, the organizers of the event have asked Shanique Williams to withdraw from the competition. Miss Williams was charged with aiding and abetting rape and sexual touching in the alleged incident involving a 15-year-old girl in November 2013. The case also involved former Jamaica Labour Party candidate Don Creary, who was charged with rape. The matter was dismissed by the court after the complainant indicated she did not wish to proceed with the case. In a statement today, head of Miss Jamaica World, Mickey Horton-James, said he was unaware that Shanique Williams, who was in the lineup of contestants, was involved in any criminal trial or any type of scandal. He said, to the best of his knowledge, neither did any judge. He added that he met with Miss Williams yesterday and handed her a letter explaining the reasons for refusing her entry, and she reportedly requested the opportunity to withdraw voluntarily.